Secret number 3 of the manifesting money and some guided visualization is when I'm meditating and I see these Benjamin Franklins here, these 100 American dollars, I see them talking to me. We talked about that in secret number 1. And this secret number 3 is taking it one step farther, where the money is talking to me and it's asking if it can live with me. It's asking if it can if I'll take care of it. And I'm going to say yes. I'm going to agree that, yeah, I'm going to take care of your money. You know, when money goes in my bank and I have money, the last thing I want to do is just get ripped off and let it go out. So I'm going to take care. I'm going to nurture that money. I'm taking care of this money. I'm going to send it out and do what I need to do. Pay my bills, vacation, help people out, stuff like that. And what will happen is, because that money and I were a team, I send the money out, it does what it needs to do, and it loyally will come back to me. And when I say loyally or loyalty with that money, it's because I'm taking care of it, because I'm not going to let anything happen to it. It's going to take care of me. And that is what I believe is secret number 3.